Hi, I'm Dr. Ria Hoxha, founder and director of the Pediatric Dental Assistants Association. Many of us pediatric dentists start off our days in the office with the morning huddle. This is a great way to get information from all the different areas in their practice all into one place so that we all know what's going on. The insurance coordinator might know that there's some issue with an insurance claim that hasn't gotten paid or okayed. The financial coordinator might know somebody's having some financial issues and we need to handle that before we actually do the treatment. The hygienist might remember something special that worked last time for this child who was a little bit squirrely, and so we're going to try that. And then of course the assistants who are doing the restorative work need to make sure that they know what's being done today on which teeth and which kiddo. These are all great things to do to get the office off in a very productive and organized way. But it does tend to kind of be serious and everybody's very, very concentrated. So once I finish the morning huddle, I like to lighten the mood. So I do that by reading a joke. I get them from a child's joke book. And you can get those at a bookstore or from Amazon. Just look for something that is more of a kid's level. Sometimes they're very stupid or sometimes very silly. Either way, you can either get the team to laugh out loud at them or go, "Oh my God," and then everybody will laugh at that, right? Another thing I like to do is use brain teasers. And you can get those at different levels too at the same stores. So it's a great way to do some little competition between the staff members to see who can figure out the riddle first. That really helps bring the team together in camaraderie, and we celebrate each other's wins because sometimes one person seems to get them a lot of times and all of a sudden somebody out of the blue will get one and it's woohoo for them. We like to cheer them on. This is a great way to kind of get the information you need in the morning huddle but have everybody leave on an up note, cheering for each other and or moaning and groaning at the horrible joke. Whichever way it works, it does bring them together and they all have a good laugh. For more great ideas like this, you can go to the members-only area of the Pediatric Dental Assistants Association website. You can click right below this video on the link and it'll take you right to that page if you're not already a member, and you can enroll today. I'm Dr. Ria Hoxha, founder and director of the Pediatric Dental Assistants Association. This has been your Practice Pearl from the PDAA, and I'll see you on the next one.